Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can log out of other devices on your Discord. Let's just say, for example, you went into a library and logged your Discord in there, or your friend's PC, and you don't want it there anymore. You can simply watch this video and follow step by step on how you can log out of other devices from your Discord. So watch the video till the end and let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Discord and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now what you want to do is simply on your bottom left, you're gonna see your username, and there is going to be a user settings tab right over here, right beside Defen. Now you're gonna go ahead and click on user settings, and for me, streamer mode is enabled. I can simply go to streamer mode and turn it off. And now when I go to my account right up here, as you can see, it will show my details. And now in order for me to go ahead and log out of other devices, I'm going to go ahead and click on change password. Go ahead and enter your current password on top, and then go ahead and enter your new password on the bottom. And now go ahead and confirm your new password. And now finally click on done. Now what this will do is it will successfully change your password for your Discord account, and which will basically log you out of other devices that you are logged in from your account. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.